Welcome back to our little greenhouse. Oh my gosh, it is hot out here. We are sitting about 86 degrees in there. It is warm out here. It feels great. I literally took my shirt, gloves, hat, everything off. I just wanted to come out here and take a few temperatures real quick. We're hitting 100 degrees on our heat bank right here at the top. Sitting about 64 at the bottom, and that is very warm because we're transmitting all of that into the floor of our greenhouse and helping keep all of these alive. Same thing with our bricks. This is very cool. I just wanted to come out and go over all of the passive details of this and show some temperatures. It is super bright with all the sun. We haven't had the sun in a couple weeks here. Literally 45 minutes of sunlight in 3 weeks. It's killing us. So we had killed all of our plants also. These got cooked. We had our greenhouse inside a greenhouse and we toasted most of our plants because this was sealed. This one has been propped up and it's knocked over a little bit, kind of offset now, but we had airflow through it so it didn't cook our plants. So sprouting all of our plants on the floor has been working amazingly well. We've got our radishes planted over here. We've got our onions sprouted. The floor is heating up, so they got heat from the bottom. Where we failed was leaving this on, and it did not get propped open, so there was no airflow, and these literally cooked. It was probably about 120 in there all day today because we finally got some sunlight. So this was pretty well unexpected. I did not expect to have our plants dying in our greenhouse from being too hot in the middle of winter. So our systems that we have running, this fan's cranking out the heat, this water's always running. It's nice to come out here and be able to have this to heat up our greenhouse when the sun is not shining and really warming up this greenhouse passively. So that being said, I wanted to show our ups and our downs. We killed some of our plants and I wanted to show everybody that we failed. We are in a very cold climate here. So there's a lot of growers out there that are in warmer climates than us. We're in zone 4B and it gets very cold here. We see lots of negative temperatures for steady amounts of time. So I hope this little video prevents somebody from cooking their plants in their greenhouse and wasting time, energy, and money.